make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle and I am back with another video. So it's with another company that I have not worked with before. The name of the company is Junoda. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. Like I mentioned, it's going to be down in the description box so you guys can just check it there for the links and, you know, quick access to the wig. So let's just get straight into it. It is a 5x5 closure wig and it is a Bodywave texture, 22 inches, completely glueless. I did not use anything to, you know, install this wig or lay it down. And I didn't have to because it came with adjustable straps, it came with an elastic band, and it has about 3 to 4 combs. You guys are going to see the construction of this unit and the inside, how it all looks and everything like that in just about a second on a split screen if you're not already watching it. So it was like your standard closure wig, except for it has the elastic band, so it really secures your wig in place. And yeah, so the install was very easy, self-explanatory. So the next thing I wanted to talk about is I quickly put some curls with my Klarna curling iron into this unit. You can wear it in its natural state, but I had already combed it out and I was just like, let me throw some curls in there just to make it look fully complete. I also used some of this argan oil a little bit because the hair did feel a little bit dry. So yeah, I put some oil in there, just a mind trick because I don't think the oil really gonna do nothing. But yeah, that's really about all I have to say. Oh, other than I did use my contour powder on the lace just to help blend it in with my skin tone. It did what it was supposed to do. So other than that, that's basically about it. This is gonna be a really quick video. If you guys have tried a unit from this company, leave your comment down in the comment section so other girls can, you know, get their info and, you know, just compare different people's comments and experiences. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in the next one. Bye.
I'm so exhausted.